Hi there. So today I have a share for you for a freebie. Um, in case anyone doesn't know, I am in the UK and we have the Queen's Platinum Jubilee celebrations coming up. And so there's going to be a long bank holiday weekend, and there's going to be lots of street parties and celebrations. And I thought I would do something for anyone who wants to make some decorations for that. So what I'm actually sharing is a little kit that is going to help you to make some bunting. So I'll just show you the kit. I mean, I think everyone probably is able to construct some bunting, but I'm just going to show you the kit. Now this is going to be on my Buy Me a Coffee page for free to download. I have also put this in my Etsy shop for anybody who prefer to get it from there, and also anybody who wants to support me, because I have to, for the Etsy shop, it has to be sold at a kind of minimum price, because I have to cover the cost of the listing and the transaction fees and all that sort of thing. So there is a cost if you go to Etsy, and I will probably make a few pence from it, but I have tried to keep it at minimum cost. But if you go to Buy Me a Coffee, it will be absolutely free. So just so you've got options, because I know not everybody wants to go to Buy Me a Coffee. So there's that. So I'm going to just show you what's in the kit, and then just quickly go through kind of what was going through in my mind when I designed it. So you've got an instruction page, just the basic instructions of the kind of things you're going to need, a few different ways that you can print out and cut out your bunting, but I think most people can do their own thing and work that out, but that's just there if you want to, or if you're gonna be doing it maybe with other people, have it like a group activity. So here's the pages. So there's this page with the kind of jumbled stripes, and then there is a horizontal and a vertical stripe page, depending on kind of what size and which way you want to cut things. And also the thing is, you don't have to make bunting from this. You can use this for whatever you like. You could use this for making a journal spread for Jubilee related, for memories and stuff like that, or any craft project that you want to use the papers for. You could make anything out of them, make cards, make whatever you like. So it's intended that you can use the templates that I'm going to provide to make the bunting, or you can use it for whatever else you wish to use it for. So then there are 3 pages with some templates. So there's a small size template, and there is a triangle, and then like a kind of another kind of pennant sort of shape there. So that's the small size, and you can see I've done it so you can cut along the solid line, and then that is the line that you fold along the dotted line, so you can attach it around whatever you're going to use to hang your bunting. So there's those, and there's a couple on each page, and I've even done you a half one as well, so that you can use up more paper and maybe join them together if you wish to. Okay, And then there is a larger version of each. So it's the same sort of shape, but in a larger version. And there's the triangle one, and there's the kind of pennant shape. Okay, so that is that. And so you can print out, obviously, as many pages as you like. You can print on just one side, which is what I've done for my little demonstration here. Or you could print on both sides if you want it to be double-sided. Or you could also stick two together if you wanted, and then you would have a double-sided and just stick them together over whatever you're going to use, your string or whatever would go in the middle. So that's another option. Or you could use the templates and cut those out and stick those together so it's like a diamond shape, or do the same obviously with this one, join two of these together and then fold them around. It all depends how much kind of ink etc you want to use and how much paper really. Another thing that you could do to make it easier to cut out, rather than cutting out your template and tracing around it on your paper, you could, once you've printed out these pages, what I've done is put it back in the printer and then print the template page on top of that piece of paper, or you could print it on the back if you wanted to, and then you just cut out around the lines straight onto the paper rather than having to trace around your template. So there's options of things you can do. So I'm just basically providing the templates and the different pages, and then you can have fun and do whatever you wish. And you can see that with mine, I've just folded over the top edges, and all I've done is put my piece of string, wrapped it around, and then I've put a piece of sellotape. Obviously you could have this double-sided if you've printed on both sides, or you've folded it around and you stick this part together. You could use a ribbon if you wanted to use a ribbon. You could even stitch this onto a ribbon. So just fold these around or lay them on top, and then just kind of stitch along the top of your ribbon, holding them all in place. One more option you could do is to fold over and just fold it, or you could stick it down if you wish, and then get a hole punch and you could place holes in either end of your little triangles, and then you could use that, if I can thread it through, you could use that to make your, trying to thread it through here, get it on camera. So yeah, you could do it that way and then string them all on using the holes, which is actually quite a nice effect, and do it that way. So there's lots of ways you can do it, different things you could use to hang it on. Like I say, you don't have to use it for this purpose. You can use the papers for whatever you would like to use them for. But yeah, I just thought that would be a nice thing if you kind of last minute want to kind of make some sort of decoration, if there's a street party near you, or you just want to decorate your house or garden, you're having your own party, or schools or your workplace. So, and if it's last minute and you haven't got time to go and get anything, then you could make some of this. So yeah, that is basically what I'm offering to you. As I say, it is on my Buy Me a Coffee page. if you follow the link in the description, and it is also in my Etsy shop for a small fee, and the link for that is also below in the description. So I hope that everyone has a really good long bank holiday weekend when it arrives, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy whatever it is you're going to be doing for that. Thank you so much.